10 life-changing inventions that are on another level. Imagine a world where disabilities fade, food grows from thin air, and communication happens instantly across continents. Buckle up, because these aren't just dreams anymore. From mind-blowing plantation marvels to inventions that redefine what's possible, we're about to delve into 10 innovations that are pushing the boundaries of science and transforming our lives in ways we never thought possible. Number 10. TCL RayNeo X2. The RayNeo X2 are special glasses that use a special technology called micro-LED waveguide to project digital information onto the lenses, allowing users to see things like emails, text messages, maps, and even augmented reality overlays on top of the real world. They use a strong computer chip called Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 and can understand the world around them, similar to other glasses like the Vision Pro but not as advanced. The good things about them are that they have a smart helper inside, which is good. The camera takes nice pictures and videos, and they are light enough to wear for a long time. The not so good things are that they look a bit strange and big. The battery doesn't last very long, and they cost a lot. TCL's RayNeo has made other smart glasses before, like the Air 2, which were good, but now they're making the X2, which they showed a year ago, and it's almost ready to be sold to many people. Number 9. Litheli eWagon W1 Pro. The eWagon W1 Pro is a game-changer in outdoor adventures, powered by the innovative Litheli U Battery Plus. It's designed to enhance any outdoor experience, from camping to gardening. The portable power hub Eclair 1000 charges 2 U Battery Plus units simultaneously, making it the ultimate power source for the eWagon W1 Pro. With its 500-watt motor, the ultra-speed power system ensures remarkable energy efficiency, allowing users to transport heavy loads effortlessly while adjusting speeds from 0.6 to 1.3 meters per second. The rugged wheels and sturdy build provide excellent control on various terrains. Plus, its fold-down tailgate expands storage to around 200 liters, perfect for all your gear. Say goodbye to storage struggles with the eWagon W1 Pro's simple folding mechanism and easy transport. Get ready to revolutionize your outdoor adventures with unprecedented convenience. Before we start the next innovation, please remember to click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more fun updates like this. Now, let's get back to the video. Number 8. EcoFlow Blade Robotic. Introducing the first ever robotic lawn sweeping mower by Blade. Say goodbye to the tough work of tidying up your yard. Blade's got you covered. Blade is your all-in-one solution for lawn care, whether you need a quick trim or a complete makeover. Simply attach the lawn sweeping kit to clear away any unwanted debris like leaves, sticks, or other waste, leaving your lawn looking its best effortlessly. Setting boundaries for Blade is a breeze with our innovative virtual boundary setting technology. No need for cumbersome wire barriers. Just use the EcoFlow app to define where Blade should mow. Whether you're staying within your yard's borders, avoiding specific obstacles, or connecting multiple lawns, Blade adapts to your needs with ease. Powered by EcoFlow's cutting-edge X-Vision technology, Blade navigates intelligently, recognizing and avoiding obstacles of all sizes. From lawn furniture to your neighbor's prized flowers, Blade maneuvers with precision. Number 7. VoiceAtch. VoiceAtch, also known as Legacy, claims to be the first smartwatch in the world that can connect to cellular networks. It has a special feature, a Bluetooth ring around its edge. This means you can stay connected even if you don't have your phone nearby. The watch is small, and it combines the latest smartphone technology with both cellular and GPS connectivity. You can pair it with multiple smartphones. The Bluetooth headset uses Qualcomm technology and a Knowles BA speaker for good sound quality. The watch is waterproof and has an ARM Cortex A53 CPU with a 1.3-inch AMOLED display. It was designed by Korean designers Young Kwon Oh and Jason Oh. The bezel of the watch has a detachable ring that can turn into a Bluetooth headset. You can release the ring by twisting and lifting it, then put it in your ear to answer calls. The design prevents it from falling off your ear easily. This keeps the watch secure and less likely to be lost. Number 6. Apple Vision Pro. Apple Vision Pro changes how you use your favorite apps by giving you a big space to work with. You can move apps around and make them bigger or smaller, making your workspace perfect. It's like having a huge canvas where you can organize everything just the way you like it. You can use Safari to browse the internet, notes to make lists, and messages to chat with friends. Switching between them is easy, just take a quick look. It's not just for work though. Apple Vision Pro can also turn any room into a personal movie theater. You can watch movies and shows and play games on a big screen, feeling like you're right there in the action with spatial audio. The picture quality is amazing, even better than a 4K TV. Number 5. Ugot Robotic Kit. Ugot is a cool robot kit that can do lots of different things. It's like a high-tech toy that lets you play with advanced robot stuff. You can control it with your phone, and it's really easy to use. One cool thing about Ugot is that it can recognize things like pictures and movements. It can even understand what you're saying. Plus, it can connect to other devices like ChatGPT so you can talk to it in a fun way. Ugot is designed to move accurately and quickly. It has special features like knobs and magnets to help it move smoothly. It also has lots of sensors and a special brain inside to think and learn on its own. With Ugot, you can do all sorts of fun stuff, like driving it around with a camera, playing games with obstacles, or creating challenges for yourself and your friends. Number 4. ApexMaker X1. The ApexMaker X1 3D printer is a top-notch industrial-grade printer designed for both professionals and beginners alike. Its standout feature is its 16-inch 8K resolution LCD screen, offering incredible detail with 8K ultra-high definition. This means it can handle intricate model details with utmost precision. What sets it apart further is its ultra-high pixel density, measuring at 46 microns, surpassing similar products in the market. This ensures fingerprinting accuracy and remarkable detail in your prints. Another advantage is its compatibility with various slicing software like Litheli, Chitubox, and Tango, making it versatile and user-friendly. Whether you're experienced or just starting out, getting started with the ApexMaker X1 is a breeze. Number 3. Anker Solix F3800. The Anker Solix F3800 portable power station is a great companion for outdoor adventures, emergencies, and home comfort. It's designed to meet all your basic needs whether you're on vacation, traveling in a camper, or need backup power at home. With a capacity of 3.84 kilowatts per hour, expandable to 26.9 kilowatts per hour, it offers both mobility and comprehensive energy solutions. The station is easy to move with its wheels and can provide up to 26,800 watts of energy with additional batteries. It features a durable lithium iron phosphate battery with over 3,000 life cycles. What makes it stand out is its impressive maximum output power of 6,000 watts, allowing you to use multiple electrical devices simultaneously, even heavy appliances like air conditioners and washing machines. Its versatility makes it suitable for camping, traveling, or home use. Number 2. EcoFlow GLACIER. With its mighty 120-watt compressor, this appliance swiftly produces 18 ice cubes within just 12 minutes, ensuring you always have a refreshing supply on hand. Whether you're on a thrilling journey or simply enjoying a relaxing day, add a touch of coolness to your experience with perfectly chilled sodas. Featuring dual zones and controls, this fridge-freezer combo offers peak performance. Its removable divider allows you to separate the space into 2 zones, each with independent temperature control, enabling you to refrigerate or freeze items ranging from 50 Fahrenheit to 13 Fahrenheit. Whether it's juicy steaks, creamy cheese, or your favorite soft drinks, this versatile appliance adapts to accommodate your needs. Number 1. Totum Planter. An innovative indoor garden system designed to transform your space into a green oasis, customized to suit your preferences. With Totum, you have the freedom to create your own unique garden by combining different modules to construct your ideal tower of greenery. Taking care of your plants has never been easier thanks to Totum's self-watering hydroponic technology, which delivers water directly to the roots without the need for soil. Additionally, Totum features advanced LED grow lights from Samsung, ensuring your plants receive the optimal wavelengths of light for healthy growth. Whether you're growing herbs, flowers, or succulents, Totum provides scheduled lighting at the touch of a button, conserving energy with its efficient 12-watt usage during growth and less than 1 watt in ambient mode. Thanks for tuning in to discover these incredible inventions that are truly on another level. From self-watering indoor gardens to advanced AI assistants, these innovations are changing lives in remarkable ways. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more amazing content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for future updates on groundbreaking inventions and technology.